Tired of messy bathroom counters? Upgrade your routine with the iHave Toothbrush Holder. Imagine a clutter-free, organized bathroom every morning. Perfect for busy families and homeowners who value order. Let's see how this smart organizer transforms your space. The wall-mounted design instantly frees up counter space. No more scattered toothbrushes or toothpaste tubes. It features a built-in automatic toothpaste dispenser. Just press and get the perfect amount, hands-free, hygienic. 2 included cups make sharing easy for couples or kids. No more searching for rinsing cups in the morning rush. A spacious tray on top holds your daily essentials. Keep creams, razors, or even your phone within reach. A pull-out drawer below stores cosmetics or small accessories. Everything has its place. No more lost items. High-quality materials ensure durability and easy cleaning. Installation is simple. Just mount on any bathroom wall. No drilling required, so renters can use it too. The sleek modern look fits any bathroom style. Families love the space-saving, organized design. Kids enjoy the fun, easy toothpaste dispenser. Parents appreciate less mess and more hygiene. Hosts and hotels benefit from a tidier guest experience. The automatic dispenser reduces waste and keeps things neat. Hands-free operation means fewer germs and more convenience. Large tray holds everything from perfumes to hair ties. Pull-out drawer keeps makeup and jewelry dust-free. Maximize vertical storage, perfect for small bathrooms. No more overstuffed drawers or cluttered vanities. Organize once. Enjoy a calm space every day. Strong adhesive keeps the holder secure and stable. Waterproof design stands up to steamy showers. Easy to remove and clean when needed. Upgrade your morning and nighttime routines effortlessly. No more toothpaste mess on the sink. No more wet cups left on the counter. No more searching for your favorite lipstick. Everything you need, always at your fingertips. Save time and reduce stress every day. Enjoy a bathroom that looks as good as it feels. Perfect for families, organizers, and style lovers. A must-have for anyone upgrading their home. Amazon Prime members enjoy fast, free delivery. Order today and transform your bathroom tomorrow. Thousands of satisfied customers trust iHave for organization. Don't settle for clutter. Choose smart storage solutions. Make every inch of your bathroom count. The iHave Toothbrush Holder is the upgrade you deserve. Experience the difference of organized living. Bring order, hygiene, and style to your daily routine. Ready to reclaim your bathroom space? Click the link to shop on Amazon now. Enjoy a cleaner, calmer bathroom every single day. Try the iHave Toothbrush Holder and see the change. Make your mornings easier and your nights more relaxing. Transform your bathroom with iHave today. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.